Inside the 2022 Digital Planner, you have 7 built-in templates. Each template has a color, and you will see the same color inside the index page, the cover page for that notebook, and right here on the top left side of the screen. So you will always know in which template, in which notebook you are, just by looking at the color. Inside the index pages, you have 12 chapters. These chapters have links to their section. If you don't know how to use the notebooks, I suggest to use the Outline Planner Setup worksheet to decide what kind of notebooks you need and what you will include inside each notebook. For example, I have decided that I need a life notebook with a few sections and an outline planner notebook, just as well as a work notebook and a courses notebook. And I have listed for each of those notebooks the type of sections I need. I took all this information and placed it inside my 2022 outline planner in the chapters area. So you see, the My Beautiful Life is actually the life notebook, and I have a Mind the Heart section, a health section, my books chapter, and also chapters for receipts, piano songs, trips, and vacation. For the outline planner notebook, I have only used up to 8 chapters, which is something I also encourage you to do. Don't use all 12 chapters for your notebooks. Allow yourself some space to add more chapters throughout the year. So I have Mind Clarity, digital notebooks involved, courses and tutorials involved, and also free worksheets and freebies about members, social media and blogging, planning tips, listing, and future plans. The work stuff includes design work for projects, money, equipment, and meeting notes. And the learn is my ongoing learning process. Usually I'm going to take notes from courses, online courses, like this note here for video editing, something I'm trying to learn right now. Let's go to the outline planner and see more ideas. So if I click on the first link, will bring me to the Mind Clarity, and you see that I'm using this chapter, just the simple notes pages. I don't need much. And I have included a template just after this index page, which is the clarity map. This clarity map allows me to see what I have accomplished, when I have accomplished, and what I'm currently working on, as well as what's next. Still on this notebook, I have the Volt digital notebooks, so it's this one here. You see that this is not a simple notes page. That's because I have screenshotted a page template and pasted it inside here. Let me show you. Unlock. Here it is. This was a simple line page, but I have screenshotted a page template and pasted it in here to change the layout. Let's go back. Still on this section, I have used the following pages for just as they were, simple notes pages, but I have added a checklist right here on the left side of the screen so I can track the notebooks I have at the moment and the ones I'm planning to do in the future, as well as some ideas about new life planning or hobbies and future templates. I have details for particular books. You see here the outline book, or also you see in the title. I'm going to capture some sort of an edits I need to complete for this particular product based on people feedback. Now let's go to the third section, is the Volt courses and tutorials. I decided that I only need the notes page for this, so I'm going to list the courses I'm going to complete, the ones that I have already completed, and if I slide the page, then again, I still use the simple notes pages to highlight the structure of each course and then the feedback I get for that course and a few notes about what to edit. Same idea for the note shelf course. Now let's go back to the index page. That's about it. You see that I have only circled the first 3 chapters because that's where I have added content. I still have to add content for the following chapters. Now let me go back to the life section and I'm going to show you how to add content in one section. And I have chosen the health section for this exercise. The health section looks like this, simple note pages, but I actually need to start with a health plan. So what I'm going to do is go to the extra templates, go to health, and let's slide, and I'll take this page here, screenshot, use the finger to capture the most important part. I think that's good. I'm going to hit the share button and copy. Done. Just delete this, you don't need it. And then go back to the life notebook, the health section, and use the square, rectangle, or whatever, how you call it, to paste that template. Let's scale it a bit to make it fit. Well, you will have to arrange it to make it fit, but I'm going to leave it just like this. And I'm going to lock it. So here it is. So I will always start my health chapter with this plan, with a health plan. But then I also need a few additional pages for the health. So I'm going back to the health page, health chapter, which is where it is, health. And I'm going to get some of these pages, not all, but I do need the appointments because I need to track my health appointments. So I'm going to click edit so I can select more. Select this one. And then I'll need some appointments details. And then I want to have the sleep tracker. Okay. Copy those 3 templates. Go back to the life notebook. Go to the health chapter and tap plus, page from clipboard, and immediately after the index page, which is this one, you will get the new templates, the appointments, the appointment details, and the sleep tracker. So that's how you do with creating a special chapter inside your notebook.